Hello Year 4, it's Friday. This is your final maths lesson of the week. Please let us know how you've been getting on with your multiplication, because even if you've got all of the answers correct, it's good for us to know how you're finding it. Whether it's a challenge or whether you'd like more to do. Always remember that representing things in lots of different ways is a great way to extend your learning. So today's in focus. Charles says he has £200. Amira says, I have 4 times as much as you have. How much does she have? I wonder how you can represent this problem. Remember, you could use a number sentence, you could use a bar model, you could write a word sentence, or use a number line even. How many jumps would you have? What would each jump be? Pause the video now while you have a think about it. Okay. Our objective today is multiplying multiples of 100. So 200 is a multiple of 100. So it's 300, 400, 500, 600, and so on. So we're taking whole hundreds and we're multiplying them. We're finding how many lots of them. So we can look at the 4 times 200. We can think of it just as 4 times 2. 4 times 2 is 8. So 4 times 2 hundreds equals 8 hundreds. 400 times 200 equals 800. Now look closely at how this is written down. This is the kind of recording we'd like you to do. You use your basic number facts, you use some words to help you bridge the gap, and then you write down the actual calculation for what you're representing. Okay, so Mira has £800. Here we can see it represented with place value counters. Do you think you could show it to us on a bar? Okay. Question 2 changes things slightly. 7 times 300. Well, method 1, we could write out this really long and boring column addition, couldn't we? Do you think you could draw me a fact family triangle to show me your known fact of 7 times 3? Let's here, look. 7 times 3 equals 21. So 7 times 3 hundreds equals 21 hundreds. Can you think of 21 hundreds as 2,100? Okay, let's have a look at guided practice. A large box contains 6 times as many apples as a small box contains. A small box contains 200 apples. How many apples are there in the bigger box? We've got our known facts here to help you. I want you to use the same thinking to answer 8 times 200, 3 times 900, and 806. Okay, it says find the product of. And remember, product is the answer in a multiplication. Okay, so we're multiplying these numbers together. Pause the video now while you have a go at that one. Okay, now we're moving on to worksheet 8. It says Amira found the value of 4 times 200 in 3 ways. Fill in the missing numbers. Okay, so here we've got repeat addition. Here we've got numbers with words. And here we've got numbers representing 3 numbers multiplied together being the same as these 2 numbers multiplied together. What do they all equal? Pause the video now while you have a look at the worksheet and then come back for the answers. Okay, here are the answers for question 1. pause the video. Well done. Here are the answers for questions 2 and 3. Okay, I want you to go now and explain to somebody what that word product means. Okay, you need to put your expert hat on and you need to find somebody in your house and explain that the word product is the answer of a multiplication calculation. Well done. We hope you have a lovely weekend and we look forward to hearing from you next week. Take care, everybody.